and come to lie on your tummy. And we're going to do a back bend that's also good for knee therapy. For me, it's kind of difficult. We'll see what everyone else thinks. It's also really good for hamstring origin tears because those can be very hard to heal. It's the one where you get a real pain in your butt because it forces circulation to the ends of the muscles. Our arms are just decorative, so you could have your hands under your shoulders, you could have your forearms under your shoulders. I tend to cheat and do push-ups, so I bring my arms back out of the way. Press the pubic bone into the floor, and then the tops of the legs and the tops of the toes into the floor. Then with an inhale, we're going to lift up head, neck, and shoulders and the right leg, keeping the neck long. Exhale, bend the right knee. Inhale, straighten the right knee. Exhale, come down, maybe alternating which way you turn your head if that's okay on your neck. Now inhaling, coming up with the left leg, head, neck, and shoulders. Exhale, bend the left knee. Inhale, straighten the left knee. Exhale down. Inhaling, coming up with the right leg. Exhale, bend the right knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale down. Inhaling, coming up with the left leg. Exhale, bend the left knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale down. Now we're going to come up with both arms, both legs, head, neck, and shoulders. So inhaling, coming up, staying here, breathing for strength. And then you can even hear in my voice if I put my head back, because I have a deep cervical curve, it constricts everything. So I tuck my chin and really lengthen the back of my neck. You might even feel you're getting a good tricep workout here. One more deep inhale. As you exhale, come down. Bring the hands under the shoulders. We're going to want to counter that with a back bend. Engage your abs strongly to protect your back. You're going to push up to all fours. If you have shoulder issues, you can always roll to one side. Oh, you got it. And then we're going to take the knees wide with the toes touching. Sink the hips back towards the heels. Maybe walk the arms forward. Maybe bring the hands under the shoulders and give your head a forehead rest. Maybe bring your arms back by your sides. Whatever feels better for you.